Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the another topic of the same chapter. Last we started the you can see the geographers and then contribution. Previously we finished already the Arab and the Greek geographers. Today we are going to discuss about the modern geographers. So that is the pre-modern geographers. So we have to discuss one by one. First, if we want to discuss the first one, the geographers, that can be divided pre-modern geographers and modern geographers. In modern geographers, there we have to discuss the one of the that is the name is okay Cluverius. Cluverius. Okay, Cluverius. What is introduction of the universal geography? This first geographer, he started to you can say the introduction of universal geography. Okay, universal geography. He started first thing. Second thing, if you want to discuss second geographers, perhaps you know second geographers. So, second geographers if you want to discuss in the pre-modern geographers, that is the Varenius. Okay, Varenius. Okay, Varenius. 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 What he did? He did one book, that is the Geographia. Geographia. Okay, Generalis. Okay, he wrote this book. Okay, another thing, general geography and special geography. He divided the geography into two parts: general geography, and special geography. Special geography. First, he did divide this thing. Okay, special geography. Number 3, if we want to discuss, that is the Immanuel Kant. Immanuel Kant, K-A-N-T. Okay. Immanuel Kant, what he did? A great contributor in the geography. He often called the founder of the German geography of a school thought. So, he called you can see the founder of the German geography. Okay, founder of German geography. German school of geographical thought. Okay. Number 4, sorry, not number 4. So, he also contributed lot of things, that is the general natural history and theory of the heavens, critique of the judgment, anthropology from the pragmatic point of view. He also discussed the anthropology. Next, number 4, if you want to discuss, that is the Karl Ritter. Okay. Karl Ritter, who also started you can say the regional geography. Okay, in regional geography we already discussed regional geography, he started. Okay, regional geography. Professor of the Karl Ritter, he was the professor of the Frankfurt, University of the Frankfurt. Okay. Geography, history and statistical planning. He wrote a book. His book name is Geographical, historical and statistical painting. One of the book he wrote, in which are 1804. Okay, 1804. He also wrote one book, it is a famous book, perhaps you know, Arkunde, K-U-N-D-E, in 1817. This book was written, Arkunde, in 1817. This thing we have to memorize. Okay. If you take another slide, so that can we have to discuss the you can say the another, that is the name whose name is the one famous also, you can see the Alexander. Okay, Alexander von Humboldt. Okay, his time was 1769 to you can say 1859. So, this time he started his, he wrote a one book, his book name was perhaps you know Cosmos. Cosmos, one of the book in 1845. This book was written in 1845. Okay. He first described the uranography, it's just one minute, uranography. Okay. Uranography, uranography, one of the book he already written, and it is what about, it is descript, you can see the descriptive about what, about astronomy, astronomy. Okay. So, this thing we have to understand. He also, you can see the invented isotherm. Isotherm, Alexander von Humboldt. Isotherm means if there is a equal temperature, if you think this, these are the area A temperature is 32 degree centigrade. Here B temperature, B area, that is temperature is also 32 degree centigrade. If the C1 is the temperature, that is also 32 degree. So, if you join a one line, one imaginary line, so that time it is called the isotherm. Okay, isotherm. So, he first invented this thing. Okay. So, this is about the pre-modern. So, pre-modern we discuss this. Okay. Another geographers, number 4 we already, number 5, he is also called the pre-modern geographers, that is called Oscar Pascal, Pascachel, Oscar Pascal. He is one the you can see the geography according to the Pascal must be physical science, that should be related with the physical science. Okay. Physical science, he preferred that geography should be connected with the physical science, otherwise geography cannot be understand. Okay. So, physical phenomena you have to understand. Okay. Then if you want to discuss the modern geographers. Okay. So, modern geographers, here we have to say the modern geographers, some of them we have to name one by one. First geographer, you can say the Friedrich Ratzel. Okay. Friedrich Ratzel, one of the, you can say the modern geographers, he was the modern geographers. He wrote the book, you can say the one of the book, famous book is Anthropogeography, geography, GRAPHIC, Anthropogeography, in composed in 1872. Okay. First volume he Anthropogeography deals with the study of the relationship between the man and earth. First volume he discussed man and earth, what is the relation between man and earth. Okay. How can it affect our life? So, that are discussed by this person. Okay. Then his social, he also called the social determinism. He wrote this book. Okay. Social determinism. Political geography, he developed also political geography. Okay. Political geography he discussed. Okay. Then organic theory of the state owned by him, little founder of the political geography. He coined his interest in the, what is his interest in the systematic geography. Okay. Systematic geography, regional geography, somehow we discussed in previous slide or previous video. So, he believed in the systematic human geography. Okay. So, this thing you have to. He coined the term of the anthropogeography, we already talked about this. So, this is about all about the Friedrich Ratzel. Okay. Ratzel, what the Ratzel, about the Ratzel. Okay. Friedrich Ratzel. So, this thing we already discussed. Okay. Then come to another geographers, he is also considered modern, Hettner and the Richthofen. Richthofen, Richthofen and Alfred Wegener we study in the second chapter or third chapter, but here is an Alfred Hettner. What is called founder of the modern scientific geography. Okay. Scientific means Geography should be scientific geography. He developed who? Richtofen and Hettner, geography. Okay. Okay. Founder of the human geography. So, Richtofen and Hettner, it is called the founder of what? The human geography. They started, these two scientists, okay, or the geographers. Then what did they? He wrote a Annals of Geography, Annals say the geography, professor of the Sorbonne, and he supported the concept of possibilism. We already discussed about this possibilism, determinism, new determinism. So, there he discussed a lot, he was the supporter of this geography. Okay. So, this thing we have to understand. Second thing what we have to do, that is the Huntington. Okay, Huntington, he was the, you can say, the 1, number 2 and 3 number, you can say the Ells Ellsworth Huntington, Huntington. Okay. Was his contribution? Actually, this geographers supported the concept of the environmental determinism. Okay, environmental determinism means environmental means the determinism he supported. Okay, Huntington, he supported, and he wrote a book, one famous book. He wrote a book, you can say, the Pulse of Asia. He wrote a book, this book in 1907. Another book he written, the Civilization and Climate. This book written in 19, you can say, the 15. So, this thing we have to understand. Principle of the Human Geography published. He also wrote a book, Principle of Human Geography. Okay. He wrote about this, published in 1920. Okay, published in 1920. So, this is another, you can say, the his name is, you can see, the number 4, Ellen Semple, SEMPL, Churchill Semple. Okay. He was the disciple of the students of, you can see, the Ratzel. He was the student of the Ratzel. Okay, Ratzel students. Influenced the geographical environment, you can see, the 1992 American Historical, and he told a simple one best line. He told, a man is a product of the earth surface. First he told this line, man is a product of the earth surface. Man is the narrowness and complexity, though this high, you can say, the height, organized plant and animal. Geography of the Mediterranean climate. He described the geography of the Mediterranean climate. Okay. So, this thing we have to understand one by one. Okay. So, this thing. Next, if you want to discuss, that is, you can say, perhaps you know another. So, NL Semple we discussed. So, this is all about our modern geographers and their contribution. Okay. Modern geographers and their contribution. I hope you have enjoyed this, and you just try to read out this chapter. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.